It all started with a wink, an unassuming little thing that has led us here today. She was not one for the bar. We only lived mere miles apart, more like a second chance away. We had both loved and lost, and we'd both been on first dates, but this one was different. And now I say, I saw fireworks that day in every way. I saw fireworks for the second time in 2 days. Battled distance through the years, weekend flights and talk all nights, growing closer, sharing fears. I took you to the mountaintop and bent the knee when we got off. You were smiling ear to ear. We had both loved and lost, but we can start again. This time we're different, so now we say, I saw fireworks that day. I saw fireworks for the second time in 2 days. You're my fireworks every day. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You're my fireworks. Let's never change anything. Let's never change anything. I put on the radio and I turn the lights down low. I sway with you to whatever is on. 'Cause you've been working hard and you earned your battle scars. Let me hold you like a queen tonight. Let me grow with you. Let me bend and break. Let me be your shelter at the end of the day. But after all these years, no matter where we stand, you'll always be my woman. I'm proud to be your man. Yeah. Thank you for the lonesome nights where I learned to treat you right. I was just a kid learning to fly. 'Cause you're the heart I need and the kindness you've given me. You made me the man I am tonight. Let me grow with you. Let me bend and break. Let me be your shelter at the end of the day. Well, after all these years, no matter where we stand, you'll always be my woman. I'm proud to be your man. You're beautiful and strong as when we were young, and you make this house a home. Let me grow with you. Let me bend and break. Let me be your shelter at the end of the day. After all these years, no matter where we stand, you'll always be my woman. I'm proud to be your man. You'll always be my woman. I'm proud to be your man. You'll always be my woman. I'm proud to be your man. I would wait a million lonely hours, trying to win your heart, trying to get to where you are. And I would live a million lonely lifetimes if I knew I could get back to you. Yeah, I just wanna get back to you. May take some time. I don't wanna fight.